In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up in GoodDay. Let's get started right from your web browser. First, open your preferred browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar or search bar at the top, type GoodDay and press enter. This will take you to a Google search results page for GoodDay, which is a work management platform used for organizing tasks, projects, and team collaboration. On the search results page, look for the official GoodDay website. It should appear as something like GoodDay Inspiring Work Management Platform. Make sure you're clicking on the official result, not an ad or a similarly named site. Click on that link and it will take you directly to the GoodDay homepage. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen for a button labeled Sign Up. This is where you'll start creating your new account. Go ahead and click on Sign Up. You should now be on the registration or join page. On this page, you'll see a field where you can type in your email address. Carefully enter the email you want to use for your GoodDay account. It's best to use an email that you check regularly, since you may need it later for confirmations, notifications, or password recovery. Double check for any typos before continuing, because even a small mistake in your email address can prevent you from accessing your account properly. If you prefer, instead of typing an email and creating a password from scratch, you can choose the option to sign in with Google. This button is usually located below or near the email field. Clicking Sign in with Google will open a new window or pop-up where you can select your Google account. Choose the account you want to link to GoodDay and then allow the necessary permissions. This option can make logging in faster and simpler in the future, since you won't need to remember a separate password specifically for GoodDay. After you've either entered your email or chosen to sign in with Google, just follow the on-screen prompts. These may include confirming your email, entering your name, setting a password if you're not using Google, and possibly answering a few quick setup questions about how you plan to use GoodDay. Take a moment to read each screen so you understand what you're agreeing to, and then continue until the setup is complete. Once you've finished those prompts, your GoodDay account is created and you're ready to start exploring the platform.